Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Uniglow or GLO's Paladin audit levels project with top cryptos like Phantom, FTM, and Avalanche AVAX. The crypto industry growth has been nothing short of impressive in recent years. However, with this growth has become increased scrutiny from regulators and financial institutions. One of the biggest concerns for these entities is the level of security and transparency around crypto assets. Thus, the importance of the audits from a prestigious and respectful company is must. Uniglow, or GLO, has proudly announced that it has completed a Paladin audit, a smart contract development company focused on privacy, trustless computing, and scalability. Paladin is one of the first firms to offer an end-to-end solution for all three critical aspects. The project has undergone multiple security audits, the most recent being conducted by the Uniglow team. The news gives excellent confidence to Uniglow investors and levels the project with top cryptos like Phantom, FTM, and Avalanche AVAX. Paladin audit. What does it mean for Uniglow GLO? Uniglow is a rising star on the market, and it is important to leave a positive impression on users. Beside the fascinating assets backed vault, ultra burn mechanism, and fully community driven ecosystem, it's a must for any ICO to hold audit reports and prove their legacy. Thus, Uniglow has reached Paladin for professional supervision. The audit report was very positive, highlighting the project's strong points and offering constructive criticism where needed. The audit covered a wide range of topics, including the project's technology, smart contracts, roadmap, business model, and team. Overall, the report showed that Uniglow or GLO is a well-rounded project with a strong team and a clear vision. This is highly positive news for the Uniglow GLO team and will give them a boost as they prepare for their upcoming launch in October. With the backing of a respected audit firm, they are in a solid position to succeed. All three of these cryptocurrencies, Uniglow, Phantom, and Avalanche, use different methods to secure their transaction. Uniglow implements multi-sig wallets, Phantom is secured by proof of stake that prevents centralization. Meanwhile, the security of the avalanche network is provided by two distinct protocols. Maybe that's that from me. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Goodbye.